Villa 5050, a unique family home designed by Studioninedots, located on the green edge of Strijp-R, Eindhoven. This house introduces a groundbreaking typology that harmoniously integrates indoor and outdoor living. The 5050 concept Villa 5050 is an architectural masterpiece designed to balance indoor and outdoor spaces equally. The owners, who had previously worked with Studioninedots to design their first home, envisioned a minimalist lifestyle deeply connected to nature. This vision inspired the creation of a modern pavilion, where functional spaces are randomly organized in interconnected volumes between two horizontal planes. This innovative layout allows the house to extend seamlessly into the garden, breaking down boundaries between architecture and nature. The result is a structure that is as much a part of its landscape as it is a functional living space, a harmonious blend of half building and half garden, truly embodying the 5050 concept. Design and layout Villa 5050 reimagines conventional home design by combining pavilion-style openness with the efficiency of a tiny house. The ground floor is dedicated to shared family spaces and the parents' private quarters, creating a warm and inclusive atmosphere. Meanwhile, the daughters' rooms are located in a striking tower that rises vertically through the two horizontal planes, offering them privacy and a unique living experience. The entrance is thoughtfully positioned at the intersection of the pavilion and the tower, welcoming residents and visitors into a space that is both cohesive and dynamic. Each volume within the house is designed with its own distinct character, atmosphere, and lighting, enhanced by strategically placed roof openings. These features create a dynamic interplay of light and shadow, enriching the living experience. Industrial materials and character Villa 5050's design celebrates industrial materials, unified by a sophisticated gray palette with diverse textures. The extensive use of glass blurs the distinction between interior and exterior, ensuring uninterrupted views of the surrounding greenery and fostering a sense of openness. The enclosed volumes showcase innovative material applications, including flagstone cladding in the master bathroom and glossy ceramic tiles that add visual interest to the bedroom and workspace. The round wall, constructed from semi-transparent polycarbonate, adds a playful yet practical element to the design. The tiny house tower, wrapped in polished aluminum, mirrors the natural landscape, creating a subtle, ever-changing facade that reflects the seasons and weather. Attention to detail elevates industrial elements into refined features, from customized fixtures to carefully crafted finishes. This meticulous approach ensures that the home maintains a balance between raw materiality and elegance. Harmony with nature and industrial heritage Villa 5050 is not just a home but a dialogue between architecture, nature, and history. The design integrates seamlessly with its lush garden and the adjacent woodlands, creating a peaceful retreat. At the same time, it pays homage to the industrial heritage of the Strijp-R area, blending modernity with historical context. With a total area of 240 square meters, Villa 5050 inspires a minimalist lifestyle that values family connection, interaction with nature, and a thoughtful use of space. Conclusion: Villa 5050 represents a new way of living, one that prioritizes harmony with the environment while embracing modern design. It challenges conventional notions of residential architecture, offering a vision of the future that is both innovative and deeply rooted in its surroundings. This concludes our exploration of Villa 5050. Are you inspired by this unique blend of design and nature? Share your thoughts in the comments below.